Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Sims 4 game failed to load issue quickly and effectively. If your game won't start, first run Sims 4 as administrator by right-clicking the icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Next, check your antivirus or firewall and temporarily disable them, as they can block the game from loading. Now, open Origin or EA app and repair the game to fix any corrupted or missing files. If you use mods or custom content, move the mods folder out of the game directory temporarily because incompatible mods often cause loading failures. Also, clear the cache folder in your Sims 4 installation to remove old temporary files. Make sure your graphics drivers are updated to the latest version and your system meets the minimum requirements. Finally, restart your computer and launch Sims 4 again, and the game should load properly, letting you play without any errors or crashes. Subscribe the channel for more videos.